So I was looking for an option to charge the DJI SPARK batteries on the go, and I looked at some of these 12 volt kits and didn't like the look of the fittings and where it goes on the battery. It's got like a little clip that goes on here and goes into the cigarette lighter and such. And I've looked at inverters, sine wave and pure sine wave, modified sine wave, yeah, that's the other. And I thought I'd have a go at this. This is the Energizer 120 watt. I thought I'll give this a go. I've had a little try of it. I'll just plug it in again. Batteries were completely flat about half an hour ago. I just did a little run. Let's get that in. It says keep the ventilation, like the fins there, don't block them, but it's also designed to go in the cup holder, so I don't see how you can not block the ventilation, to be honest with you. But there it goes. Let's see what it does. It does come up red, a little red light, and not much instructions with it really, just tells you about the ampage. The total output, I think, with 3 batteries and the charger would be 50. This is rated for 120 watts, continuous 90, so it should have plenty in reserve. And let's have a look. It's a couple of seconds to come on, but it's certainly working alright. I did look into this, and from what I can see, there shouldn't be any problems, any issues using an inverter with this type of power adapter, AC power adapter, because it's basically just a brick. It just takes in between 100 and 240 volts and converts it into DC power. I think it's 13.05 volts. Seems to do the job. Time will tell.